Hey beautiful, I just got my April Stitch Fix box and I'm really excited to open it. I actually did two things a little bit different this month with Stitch Fix and I will explain them in just a second. One of them I thought was really cool and I'm interested in your feedback. I think I will continue to try it, but I'm curious in your feedback if it's something that you would do yourself or not, and I'll explain it in just a second. But if you don't already know what Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where you take a style profile and you have a personal stylist that shops for you based on your style profile, and you get to pick how frequently you want your specially curated style boxes sent to you. I like to do mine every single month. And I like to do unboxing videos because I love watching things like this. I think it's so fun. But again, you get to pick how frequently you want your specialized boxes sent to you. And there are 5 items in each box. You can pick from clothing and shoes and accessories, all the above, or just clothing, whatever you want. I like to do clothing and shoes. So every month they send me a box of 5 different items that is a mixture of either all clothing or some clothing and shoes. So I'm excited to open it up and see what I got this month. Now Stitch Fix does charge a styling fee for them to send you the box, but the styling fee that you pay actually gets applied towards any of the items that you keep. And this is my all-time favorite way to shop because it is so easy. What they do is they include a prepaid shopping return bag for you. So if there's anything in here that I do not love, I just pop it in this bag and send it back to them, and this is already prepaid, so I don't have to pay for any return shipping. It is the easiest way to shop, and it gets me truly out of like my style comfort zone, and it gets me to try on things that I normally typically don't try on for myself. So it looks like this month I received all clothing. And what I did a little bit differently this month, and I'll include a video of it, is I got an email before my box was going to be mailed to me, and it let me do a preview. So normally it is a surprise. You take your style quiz and your stylist picks items for you based on your profile. You can also attach your Pinterest to it, so they're really good about paying attention to that. So if you are a frequent pinner on Pinterest of clothing and styles that you like, you can create a Stitch Fix board and they will pay attention to that as well and try to give you items based on your Pinterest board. So I've been doing this for years, and that's how my clothing has been picked for me. However, this month they sent me an email that said, would you like to preview your items? So they sent me all 5 items. I got to log into the app, look at all 5 items, and decide if I wanted to keep any of those 5, and they'd send them in my box, or if I wanted to take some out and they would send me new items. So I actually, out of the 5 that were my preview, I only kept 1, and then the rest are going to be a surprise. So I know what one of the items here is, but I don't know what the other 4 are.
So this is what my style preview looked like. I got an email that said I could preview my fix, and when I open up the app, this is what I could tap into. So it basically said I had 31 hours to look through this, and out of this list of items, I could actually go through and select up to 5 items that I wanted to include in my next Stitch Fix box. So I got to preview all of these items, and based on the items that were included here, the only thing I selected were those pants. So I knew that the pants were coming in my Stitch Fix, but I didn't know what the other 4 items were going to be. Now, the other thing that I thought was really cool about this is you could actually go ahead here and type a note to your stylist. So here I just typed a little note saying that I was looking forward to some spring pieces. So if there's like something in particular that you're looking for or something that you don't want, you can really communicate kind of individually here with your stylist and let them know what your preferences are or something that you may be looking for in particular.
Okay, so first we'll start off with the item that I knew about, and it is a pair of black pants. I needed some more kind of like black dressy pants. These are very stretchy. but they're more of like a business pant. They're so stretchy, they're almost like leggings. And they look really, really soft and comfortable, and they've got pockets on the back. So this is just something that I needed. I actually needed a few pair of black pants, so that is the first item that I got, and I of course will try it on. Stitch Fix has been so great. I've said this in my previous videos about my sizing. I am only 5'2", and pants for me are typically a struggle because usually I have to, when I buy pants, sometimes the petites are too short but the regulars are too long, and so if I get regulars I often have to have them hemmed, and it's just a whole thing. I've not had to hem any of my pants from Stitch Fix. They have got like my sizing to a T, and they are fantastic with that. So I know when I get pants from them that they are going to fit properly. So I'm really excited that I have those. Now my question for you is, if you are one that if you were to get a preview of your style, is that something you're all about? Would you like to see the items ahead of time to decide if that's what you want sent to you, or do you like to be surprised? Because I've been doing Stitch Fix for years, and that for me, I think a lot of the fun is the element of surprise. So if it's offered to me again next month, I'll see if I do it again or if I'm just gonna be surprised. But this is the next item they sent me. I love this color. This is such a beautiful coral shade. It is soft, it is a silky material. It's got this little cutout detail on it of like this kind of like florally leaf print. Really, really pretty. I love the color, especially for summer. This is gonna be such a fun color. I guess it's kind of more orangey coral, but it's really pretty. Okay, now the next one is just kind of more of a light, flowy top. About 3/4 length sleeve. I really like the pattern of it. That's really pretty. It feels like it would be really lightweight, so it wouldn't be too hot. Let's see, what else? Okay, I'm already telling you right now, I am not gonna try this on. What I typically do in my Stitch Fix haul videos is I try them on camera. This appears to be a crop top. I apparently tell them in my profile, because I never have before, I'm not a fan of crop tops. I'm just not. It's cute, and if you are a crop top wearing kind of person, I think this is adorable, but that's just not me. And that's one of the things also that I love about Stitch Fix, is that they listen to your feedback. So I can tell them when I check out, please no crop tops, they're just not for me. I call them accidental crop tops because I have bought like a sweater. It was like a hoodie type sweater that I call the accidental crop top. I can't tell you how many tops I've purchased, and then I get them and it's like right to here, and I'm like, well, dang it. I just need it to be a little longer, but it's the style now. And I think this is yet another one. Very, very short. Again, cute. It's a great color. I love gray, but nope, not something that I would wear. So I will try on the pants, and the other two, we'll see how those fit. But there is another thing that I did this month with Stitch Fix, and not only with Stitch Fix can you have these curated boxes styled for you and mailed to you, but there is also an entire shopping section within the Stitch Fix app where you can go basically to their online store and shop for items. They already know your sizes and everything that you need. So I did a little browsing on the shopping section this month, and I purchased myself a couple extra things directly from the shop. So this was sent separately. It didn't come with my box. But I love that we have this ability with Stitch Fix. So if there is a time where you're like, shoot, my box isn't coming for another few weeks, but I need something, you can go in and just have it sent right to you. And because I needed some more black pants, I purchased myself a couple extra pairs of black pants. So I got 2 more of these. These I won't try on here because, I mean, they're just black pants, but I am definitely excited to have them again. I knew that the sizing would fit perfectly with Stitch Fix. because they always get that accurate for me. These ones I thought were so cute. Look at this like zipper detail right here. But yeah, I just needed a few more pairs of black pants that I could just wear out. And so that is what I got. Let me go try on the ones that they sent me with the other two tops and we'll see how it fits.
Now before I try everything on, here is what that shop tab looked like this time around. So I went to the shop tab inside the app. I knew that I needed some black pants and I just clicked on pants and I could scroll through and see a lot of the different pant options that they have available. You'll see a lot of them actually come in multiple colors, which is really nice. This is actually a really nice feature where if you find a pair of pants that you love and fit so well, check and see if they come in other colors, because I feel like that is always a win. That way you know you're getting a great pant and it's something that you're going to get more wear out of. But here I just went through, I scrolled through, and they can also even show you the detailing on the pants, as well as right here where they have styling cards, so you can see how you can style the items that are included in the shop tab.
Okay, so first we have the pants that they sent me. They are leggings. There is a button in the front here, but there is no zipper, and the button is just attached. So these are slip-ons just like leggings. They are very, very form-fitting, but they are so comfortable, and they are a thicker material, which I love and appreciate. And it's got the pockets on the back, so it kind of looks almost like a jean, and it is a real pocket on the back, which I can appreciate. Not one of those fake pockets. And then the shirt, yes, it's very silky. I love the color. You can see more of the cutout detail on the sleeves. It also has that same cutout detail on the bottom. I really like the length and how it's got like the scalloped edges at the bottom as well. So the other thing that Stitch Fix does is they include a card that gives you ways that you can style each item. And they also give you a list of pricing. So in case you're curious, this top that I have here is the Market and Spruce Raina embroidery detail top, and it is $64. And then the pants, they are called the Liverpool Gia Glider Point Skinny Pant, and they are $88. Which is a bit pricier than what I typically would prefer to pay for a pant, but I can tell it is a very thick material, and I love the pocket, again the fit, and so I can tell that it's something that is going to be very wearable and very durable, and I know it's something that I will get a lot of use out of, and I can tell that it's quality, so I will keep these pants for sure. And again, the styling fee that you pay does go towards any of the items that you keep, so keep that in mind, because if you do Stitch Fix and you send everything back, you do lose that styling fee. Now I do have, if you're new to Stitch Fix and you've never tried it before, I do have a link. I will post it in the description of this video, where you can actually get $25 off your very first fix, which means your styling fee will be covered for you. So if you're new and you want to try it, you can try it risk-free, and my link will be in the description of this video. But Stitch Fix, on the card, the styling card that they send you, also includes a note from your personal stylist. And my personal stylist is Anna. I've had her for a little while now, I think the past few fixes. But she always sends me the sweetest notes, and I wanted to read it to you so you can see truly how personalized they are at picking items for you. So it says, happy Fix Day, Sarah. I spent time looking through your history and finding items that fit your personal style. Thank you for the feedback on your last fix. First, I found this lovely LUQ top that you can pair with a short necklace and some high-waisted jeans. So I think that is the recommendation for the crop top, is they're going to make the top shorter, but you're just supposed to make your jeans higher. Not sure that I'm on that bandwagon yet. Let's see if my style evolves. That is her recommendation. Next, I found this Market and Spruce top I thought you would love. This coral color is bright and perfect for bringing that spring look into your wardrobe. I do love the bright coral. Lastly, I snagged these Liverpool skinny pants that you can pair with either of the tops I already mentioned. As always, Remember to let me know what you think of the collection by leaving me your feedback when you check out. Hope you have a wonderful day. Best, Anna. And I actually am going to do my checkout process on this video for you so you can see how I use the app and how easy it is to rate and provide your stylist feedback, so that the more often you continue to do your fixes, the better and better they get. All right, I've got one more top to try on. I'll be right back. All right, and here is the final top. It's got the ruched sleeves here, so you can bunch it up and then create kind of more of like a loose flowing sleeve, which I think is super, super cute. Again, it is very lightweight, so as we are heading into the warmer months, it's not something that would be really, really hot. But I do like the length, I like the colors, and this one, let's see which one this one. This is the Coulter split neck top, and this is $42. So again, if you are new to Stitch Fix and you want to try it, I do have that link in the description of this video.
As promised, here is the checkout process within the Stitch Fix app. So once you click checkout in the app, you go through and you rate each item individually. So you let them know if you're going to keep it, if you're going to return it, and then you rate each item based on the size, the style, the fit and the cut, the quality, and the price. And then you can also go ahead and you can type in a comment that is individual for that particular item. So if you need a new size, a new pattern, I'm letting them know here that I love that color, but you can rate each item and give feedback on each individual item. So here we have one of the crop tops. I just easily click return. I let them know the size. That way they know for each item if they're continuing to get your size right. I rate the style, the fit and the cut, obviously not my favorite, the quality and the price. And here I can make it clear, please, no crop tops. And they really, really do listen and take this into consideration. And here I just had to go in and add that laughing crying emoji also. I mean, apparently that is also not a cool thing anymore, but I think like if I'm not trendy enough for a crop top, I think I still can qualify to use that emoji. But I really, really love the ease of this app and how you are able to rate the items. And then the more you do Stitch Fix and the more you rate and give your honest feedback, I really feel like the better and better each fix gets. And then once you've rated the items individually, you go and you rate the fix as a whole. So they want to know if the fix felt personalized to you, if it matched your style, if you're satisfied with it, if you're looking forward to another one. And then you can even let them know if you want to pick your same stylist or try a new one for the future. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.